Good afternoon, students. Today we'll discuss family Cucurbitaceae, that is gourd family. So you know what is gourd family, or you know the common names of cucurbits. जे आपल्या इथे त्याला काय काय म्हणतात, काकडी वगैरे जे आहेत हे सगळे गोड फॅमिलीमध्ये येतात. So the Cucurbitaceae family, there are dicots, subclasses Polypetalae, series Calciflori, order is Passiflorales. There are more than 100 genera and more than 900 species are there. They are generally found in temperate and tropical regions of the world. Habitat, they are annuals, perennials, climbers, they are rarely shrubs. Morphologically, if you see, they are mostly climbing with tendrils, and you can see that in different species also. Leaves in this family are simple, alternate, they are exstipulate, they are broad, palmately lobed, they can be divided long, and they have a hollow petiole. Tendrils, they are formed in leaf exile, opposite the leaf at nodes also. Tendrils are like simple in cucumis. Tendrils are branched in cucurbita. You can जे काकडी आहे त्याच्यात आपल्याला टेंड्रिल्स त्याचे ब्रांच दिसतात. Tendrils, they are twisted and appears like extra axillary in position. Some of the genera also tendrils are absent, like Ecabellium. मॉर्फोलॉजी जर याची पाहिजे आहे आपल्याला, तर मॉर्फोलॉजी ऑफ टेंडल्स कसं आहे, दे जनरेट फ्रॉम द लीफ एक्झिल ऑफ द प्लांट, flower, inflorescence and branch are seen. Cucurbita, like example of Cucurbita pepo, leaf exile possess flower, leafy branch and branch tendrils are seen. In Cucumis sativus, flowers are present, uh, branches leafy, inflorescence and tendrils is present. So you can see, I'll show you the slides afterwards. In cucumis, the flower tendrils are variously modified. The flower is unisexual, actinomorphic, uh, bracteate, cyclic, diadermous, pentamerous. The flower is epigynous. Monoecious and dioecious flowers are present in different species. Color is white to yellow. Female flowers with tricarpillary pistils, and male flowers show sagandrous nature. The calyx and the corolla inserted on the rim of the hypanthium. For example, male flowers, the calyx is 5 pointed, narrow lobed, gamosepalous, campanulate. The flower is valvate to valvate or imbricate in distribution. The corolla of the male flower, that is having 5 gamopetalous. It is deeply lobed, inserted on the calyx tube, campanulate or rotate, salviform or valvate or imbricate in the distribution. There are also different appendages. In androecium, there are 5 inserted on the hypanthium, alternate with petiole, biathecous, longitudinal, and dehiscence. Various degrees of fusion can be seen. Fabelia, that stamens are 5, free alternating with petals. Thalandentia 5, on which 4 are united for the pair by slightly cohesion at the filament base. The different types of adhesions are there. Like in Momordica citilla capendra, prominent fusion appears as 3 stamens, of which 2 are large and large celled, and 1 is small and 2 celled. The further fusion of the anther cells are seen in Lagenaria, Cucurbita, anther are curved, united by connected to form a central column. In some of the genera, their filaments are fused together and they're shaped as sigmoid. You can also see the pistoloid in some male flowers. Female flower in Cucurbitaceae, the calyx sepals are 5, gamosepalous. कॅलेक्स ट्यूब जी आहे ती ॲडनेट असते to the ovary and produce above and it is produced above the ovary. Corolla are five gamma-petals inserted on the rim of the calyx tube. Campanulate, rotate. Estivation is valvate or it may be imbricate. Androecium fertile stamen absent असतात female मध्ये. Stamen may be seen. Gynoecium that ovary is inferior tricarpillary. Syncarpus unilocular with ovules or parietal placentation. Short style short आहे आणि stigma branched आहे. Often there are three or an entire is present. The partial placentation fork is to two or in each septa or unilocular आहे with single oil. आता त्याचे फ्रूट जे आहेत क्युक्युबिटेसी दे आर फ्लेशी बेरी और पेपो. आता वेगवेगळ्या स्पीशीज मध्ये क्युमिनस सिट्रलस मध्ये पेपो आहे. मोमोर्डिका आपलं मोमोर्डिका मध्ये कॅप्सूल आहे. ब्रेकिंग इनटू 3 valves. Seeds many to flatten. मोमोर्डिका म्हणजे कारलं कॅप्सूल आहे. ब्रेकिंग इनटू 3 valves. Seed flattened असतात. Numerous seeds are there. Excelluminous seeds are there with a straight embryo. Diagnostic feature of this family are they are herbaceous annual plants. They have tendrils, climbers, leaves are simple or palmately lobed, deeply divided with long hairy hollow petioles. Inflorescence solitary, cymose cluster मध्ये आहेत. Flowers unisexual, actinomorphic, epigynous, trimerous, large and showy मध्ये असतात. Calyx are 5 gametophytes with valvate astivations. Corolla 5 gamopetals with imbricate or valvate aestivation are present. Androecium of 5 stamens with varied degree of fusion. Cylinder stamens are present. Gynoecium inferior, tricarpillary syncarpus, unilocular and parental placentation is present. Ovaries fleshy, trilocular with group of six group of ovules on a parietal placentation. Fruit अगोदर डिस्कस केलं होतं आपण. The fruit may be pepo or else. Seeds are many, they are flattened in appearance. चपटे असतात ते seeds. Other, if we see the economic importance of this family, Cucurbitaceae family has various edible fruits are they are used as vegetables. आता Cucurbita maxima जे pumpkin वगैरे म्हणतो आपण, they have edible fruits. They are used in vegetables as vegetables. Their tender leaves are also cooked and flowers also used in cooking. Bottle gourd आहे. बॉटल गोड सुद्धा आपण ऍज अ व्हेजिटेबल यूज करतो. बॉटल गोडचं नाव आहे लॅजिनारिया सिरसिरिया आणि लुफा सिलेंड्रिका, मोमोर्डिका सिलेंड्रिका व्हेजिटेबल जे आहे. स्पॉन्ज गोड वगैरे म्हणतो आपण त्याला. ते ऑल्सो दॅट इज युज्ड एज अ व्हेजिटेबल. अँड ड्राय फ्रुट्स आर युज्ड एज बाथ स्पॉन्ज. दॅट्स वाय इट इज कॉल्ड एज लुफा सिलेंड्रिका. आणि क्युक्युमिस पण आहे. क्युक्युमिस जे फ्रुट्स आहेत त्याचे आपण व्हेजिटेबल यूज करतो. बिटर गोड जे आहे कारले ज्याला म्हणतो आपण, मोमोर्डिका कॅरेन्शिया फ्रुट्स एज व्हेजिटेबल गुड फॉर दे आर ऑल्सो गुड फॉर इन यूज ऑफ डायबेटिक्स. अँटी डायबेटिक आहे ते. स्नेक गोड आहे दॅट इज ऑल्सो यूज फॉर व्हेजिटेबल फ्रूट. स्नेक गोड देर मेनी व्हरायटीज ऑफ स्नेक गोड्स आर प्रेझेंट. क्युक्युमिस सटायवस क्युकंबर जे आहे आपण काकडी वगैरे खातो, that is also used in vegetables. Cucumis melo आहे. Citrullus आहे. वॉटरमेलन जे आपण खातो, Citrullus lanthanus. These are the different varieties of genus and species that are being used from this family. So one of the Madras pea pumpkin is also known. That is smallest size fruits are there. They're reddish to white in color. They are also used in folklore medicine or antidiabetic. They are like rich in phenolic compounds. As we have discussed, you can see here there are like more than 122 genera, 780 species we discussed earlier. Silent features, tendering, climbing plants. These are some of the major genera. Canoponia 60 species, Momordica 45, Gorania 40, C. Sios 40, Cucumis, Cucurbita 27, Cucumis 30. There are climbings, annuals with coiled tendrils, sometimes inflorescences, cymos, androecium with five. We have discussed earlier, androecium with five stamens, anther monothecious, three filaments are there. The fruit type will be berry, pepo, or capsule. Seeds, many embryos, straight. Economic important. These are the various genus of species. Here are the distinguishing characters of Coccinea cordifolia. Coccinea indica also. हे Coccinea indica चे morphological features आहेत. Here you can see the description. Coccinea cordifolia. आपल्याला मराठीत तोंडली म्हणतो तोंडली. भाजीमध्ये यूज होतात ते. Okay, students will discuss in the next lecture another family.